Good morning, good morning. How do you feel today? Good morning. Are you happy? Great, fantastic. I'm happy. Okay? Today is May. Today is May 26th, 2020. Today is May 26th, 2020. Okay? Okay, review the farm animals, okay? Do you remember the farm animals? Okay? But now we are going to sing the song Mommy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Okay? Okay, kids? Okay. Ready? Let's start. Okay, wait. Wait. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? How do you do? Mom. Okay? Okay, good. Fantastic, okay? They review the topics. Farm animals. Okay? Farm animals. For example, cow. What animal is? Cow. I'm sorry. Cow. Horse. Padam. Horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Cow. Moo. Cow. Moo. Farm animals. Some are farm animals. Chicken. Okay? Chicken. Horse, cow, chicken, pig, sheep, okay? Okay, now we are going to watch a flashcard, the farm animals. But repeat after me, okay? Repeat it, please, the vocabulary, okay? Vamos a ver una flashcard de farm animals. But necesito que repitan after me, okay? Okay, kids? Okay, very good. Let's start.
It's a horse. Farm animals talking flashcards.
Talking flashcard.
It's a horse. Farm animals
For
talking flashcards.
animal.
It's a horse.
It's a horse.
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep.
It's a cow. Farm animals talking flashcards.
Sorry.
It's a horse.
It's a horse.
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep. Sheep.
It's a cow.
It's a cow. It's a cow.
It's a pig.
It's a pig.
It's a goat.
It's a goat.
It's a donkey.
It's a donkey.
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken.
It's a duck.
It's a duck.
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
It's a frog.
It's a frog.
It's a lamb.
It's a lamb, not sheep. Bae.
They are
Okay, one more time.
talking
One more time.
flashcards. It's a horse.
It's a horse.
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep.
It's a cow.
It's a cow.
It's a pig.
It's a pig.
It's a goat.
It's a goat.
It's a donkey.
It's a donkey.
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken.
It's a duck.
It's a duck.
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
It's a frog.
It's a frog.
It's a lamb.
It's a lamb. Farm animals, okay? Farm animals. Okay. Farm animal. Repeat after me. Farm animal. What animal is? I. What animal is? Pig. 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 Okay, next. What animal is? It's a horse. Horse. Good. Horse. What animal is? Moo. Moo. What animal is? It's a cow. It's a cow. Perfect. Wonderful. It's a cow. Next. What animal is? It's a chicken. It's a chicken. What animal is? Be. Be. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Good, good. One more time. Farm animal. Repeat after me, okay? I. It's a pig. Pig. A ver, hágale como un pig. I. Excellent. It's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. Horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Perfect. Horse. Okay. It's a cow. ¿Cómo hace la cow? No escucho. One more time. Cow. Good. Moo. Moo. Excellent. Excellent. Next. Chicken. Chicken. Excellent. Farm animals. Horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Cow. chicken, pig, sheep, el duck, quack, 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 quack. Okay? Farm animals. Farm animals. Okay? Sheep, be. Repeat after me. Sheep. One more time. Sheep. Pig. I. Pig. Good. Moo. Cow. Donkey. One more time. Donkey. Okay. Be. Sheep. Repeat. Sheep. One more time. Sheep. Excellent. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Duck. Rabbit. Okay? Farm animal. Horse. Cow. Chicken. Sheep. Pig. Okay? Activity for today. ¿Cuál es la actividad del día de hoy? Activity for today.
They are piglets.
Activity for today. The activity for today is activity for today. Okay. Farm animals. Matt, vamos a unir el nombre del animal con el correct animal. Turkey. Repeat after me. Turkey. Sheep. Donkey. Chicken. Cow. Chick. Goat. Pig. Okay? One more time. Chick, goat, cow, pig, turkey, chicken, horse, sheep. Okay? Van a unir sus names con el correct farm animal, okay? Farm animal. And repeat the vocabulary, okay? Please, repitan el vocabulario. Please. Horse, cow, chicken, sheep, pig, goat, donkey, okay? Please. Okay, kids? Okay, kids. Tomorrow continue, okay? That's all for today, kids. But practice, okay? Please practice the farm animals. Okay, kids? En color. Van a colorear los farm animals. No se les olvide. Color the farm animals and repeat the vocabulary, okay? Bye-bye, kids. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, kids.